video, and the topic for today is, you've already read it, but still, the topic for today is sharpening your pencils like a pro. So without any further ado, let's move on.
So for sharpening, take out your pencils. This is a pre-sharpened pencil which I've sharpened with a normal sharpener, and this is a new set of pencils, so I'll show you with both. Then you need is a cutter, a sandpaper, and a container to store the graphite. Like when you file the pencil, the excess graphite you can store in this. Now take off these things and let's start sharpening. Take your pencil, a cutter, take out the blade and lock it well. Now hold the blade horizontally onto the pencil as shown, and the pencil in between your two fingers, that is the thumb and the index finger. Gently glide the blade over the wood and push it out. Repeat it while you continuously twist the pencil. Now once you reach close to the lid, do it very gently or else you'll break the lid. Continue the process until the whole wood is removed and you get a clear lid. Do it slowly and gently with full patience. Sometimes you'll find some gluey material onto the lid. Remove it with the same process. It's the glue used to stick the wood to the lid. Well, if you think we are done here, then we are not. We still have one more step to do. Look at these pointed edges, we have to file them off. Now for filing them, we have two steps, that is, you can use a blade or also you can use a sandpaper. So I'll show you with both. Take a cutter and simply glide over the edges so that they become curves. Just like this. Simply try removing the edges. Glide the cutter over it gently and twist the pencil continuously so that you don't file it only one side. If you shade with these sort of pencils having these edges, you won't have a smooth shading. Neither the shading is even, nor the results are satisfactory. So you have all uneven shades, some dark parts and some lighter parts. So it is really important to remove those edges before you shade with these pencils. Now rub this pencil over a sandpaper. Continuously keep on rotating the pencil. By rotating the pencil is filed evenly all over. Now wipe the excess graphite with a tissue or a cloth. Make sure you don't break the lid, neither you use it without wiping. See. This is how you want your lid to be, or the point of your pencil to be. Now let's shade it and I'll show you how well it shades. See, you can easily see the difference. Look at these uneven strokes and this plain shading. Now if you shade with this lid, the shading is going to be smooth, gentle, and most important, it's even over a huge area. You can easily see the difference. Huge lids are useful when you work on a very big portrait or for a very long time. And the most important thing for people like me who can't draw lightly, these pencils will surely teach you how to maintain your hand pressure while you draw so that the lines don't become too dark. So take out your pencils and get started.
So, I've shown you how to sharpen pencils like a pro. Okay, jokes apart, but it was not a very important topic, but according to me, sharpening pencils is really important in the correct way, because after all, the rendering of your sketch depends upon how you sharpen your pencils and how long the lid of your pencil remains, so that you get a better duration and a good quality. Everything I've explained to you when I was sharpening the pencil and I showed you how to sharpen it. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. I go by the name Glue Marts. Yeah, I go by the same name, Glue Marts. So you can follow me there as well. So it would really be unfair if we try something new and Matoshri doesn't comment on it. So let's see what she commented on these pencils. Have a look at it.
हे भगवान, इतना लंबा पॉइंट करना क्या चाहती हो बेटा तुम इससे? मतलब किसका मर्डर ही करना है तुम्हें इतने लंबे पॉइंट से? और इससे लिखोगी कैसे तुम? मतलब यार ये, और मैं इसको ऐसा थोड़ा करूंगी टूट जाएगा. देखो टूट गया. देख ये क्यों क्यों करती क्यों हो तुम ये सब? अब हमें पूरा यकीन हो चुका है तुम पागल हो चुकी हो, पूरी तरह से पागल. और ये जमीन पे क्या काला काला करके रखा है सब? हाँ ठीक है, हमें पता है तुम काली हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम पूरा रूम मैचिंग करवा लो खुद से. नहीं बेटा नहीं.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Anyways guys, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye. If you're still watching the video, let me know in the comments below that you're liking the Matoshri part or not.
क्या पसंद नहीं आ रही? मतलब क्या मैं पसंद नहीं आ रही आपको? मैं पसंद नहीं आ रही.
Okay guys, goodbye.